tower sticking up right there, one spot.
Got the time, Maverick 1, jet with whiskey, like to relocate the flight.
Yeah, Maverick 1's going to be going in the barge here at the base of the,
1808, Gus 16.
the base of the arch.
Maverick 1.
One of my old students used to fly in and out of the barge doing rides. Every once in a while I'd pop in there and visit with him. I noticed when we were at 1200.
After 1 Tango Bravo, traffic, helicopter just apart from the north side of the field, heading towards the arch.
Yeah, right there. We're looking, he's heading for the barge. What do you think?
Downtown Tower, experimental 78013 is ready for departure.
We're going to go on the left side of the arch.
Downtown Tower, runway 23, clear for takeoff, proceed on course, wind 1709, I guess 16.
Clear for takeoff, 78013, thank you, Tower.
Never have seen the other helicopter yet. Okay, so you can see the arch, right?
Yes, sir.
You see the grassy area around the arch? We have to stay over the highway that's just to the west of the grassy area. Grassy area is considered, let's come on back down.
Oh, okay.
Let's say around 1200. Grassy area is actually the state, that's actually a federal park, state park, whatever.
Okay.
So you're supposed to stay over the highway, not over the grass. You helo out there yet?
I got
I got him.
I got your helicopter.
I got him. Yeah, 1 Tango Bravo's got Maverick in sight.
You want to take a Bravo, Roger?
You can see the highway right there. Just to the right of the round building there. That's where we're going. But keep a little bit forward there, speed there.
Gotcha. All right.
Is that the aircraft without a transponder?
Yes, 78713, negative transponder.
Thank you, sir.
All field. You can see right down there in front of the arch is the barge where it's going to be landing at.
Ready for departure.
Team turning up.
Okay.
Turning down screen. They'll be landing right there on the barge.
Clear for takeoff, proceed on course, wind 1907, gas 16.
88 uniform, thanks, sir.
Looking good. The view of the arch not everybody gets.
That's for sure.
Coming in with the 44 down there. Okay, just continue to follow your highway for now.
Downtown Tower, 78713, request to head west to the Mississippi and then follow the Mississippi south.
Experimental 713, that's approved.
713, thank you.
We got a big ass tower we got to avoid right here, but let's start turning left. Yeah, 1 Tango Bravo, make a westbound turn here.
1 Tango Bravo, say again.
Yeah, turning to the west, we'll be exiting the Delta out to the west.
Roger, right turn now to the west.
Left turn, but that's already. Your other right.
Not bad. Should I make it?
I'm glad I'm not the only person that says that. Yeah, turn right. What? Thing here is called the City Museum.
Yeah, been there.
Yep. Used to have a bus that like hung over the side of it or whatever. And we're
There it is.
We're plenty
Oh.
higher than 1200. We don't want to go up any more there.
Okay.
There it is. There's the bus hanging off the side of it. And let's head out to the west, kind of. That's Union Station there. See the roof with the green, see the building with the green roof, kind of head over towards that right now.
What was the building with the bus hanging off?
Oh, the City Museum.
Maverick 1 at Florida, long tour.
Maverick 1 landing, landing and departure at your north.
feet the ceiling.
No, actually, it's right through is 18. I think it's 1800. We're well below it.
Okay.
Oh, north Maverick 1.
This is the helipad the guy was shooting the approach for, got into settling with power and crashed. You'll see it just on the other side
yeah.
here. Down here with my show where it's at. See that helipad?
Yes.
Yeah, he missed it and ended up down there.
Yeah, I did see that video.
You can see it's a pretty tough one to get into, but like right now, you come directly in from the east. There's a lot of obstacles that come in from the east, or you can approach from the west or approach from the east. Either way, but if you came in from the northwest like this with a tailwind, got into settling with power, also known as vortex ring gate. All right, come on around this way. Got another BR1RD here. That's kind of straight ahead for a bit. This is the older section of St. Louis here.
What part is
All
this?
the old row houses there. Well, that's 6440 we just crossed, going out that way. Kind of the south side of town. Kind of neat architecture like this old church down here.
This isn't Dogtown, is it?
I'm not sure what it takes.
Okay.
It goes by any particular nicknames or whatever. Pretty good sized park right here. That's a nice park.
This is Tower Grove South.
Tower Grove South.
Okay.
Alrighty. You can see the runways over downtown airport there. There's a Maverick helicopter proceeding south along the river, looks like. There's a balloon. Bright shiny balloon there.
Mylar balloon.
Yeah.
What's that airport that's north of St. Louis? Up there in the field bottoms or whatever?
Alton's on the Illinois side. And
Okay.
then, there's Creve Coeur out to the west, and then north of it is St. Charles Smart Field is there.
I think that's what I'm thinking of.
St. Charles used to have an airport there, but they closed the airport and built a bunch of, they put in a big housing subdevelopment where the,
Newtown, I think is what it is.
yeah, I'm not sure. Well, what happened was that the land got so valuable, they closed the airport up and sold it all off for, made a big development out of it. So that happens a lot. Somebody builds an airport, close to town, and as the town grows, it overtakes the airport, and then Before long, the land's so valuable, they want to close the airport and build houses or industrial park or whatever. Happens all the time. Trying to do that with Santa Monica right now.
Really?
Oh yeah, they've been trying to get their hands on Santa Monica forever and quick get it closed.
Over 915 Echo Delta downtown tower. Ready?
Yeah, we just got ready. Pop it up.
Roger. Fly the runway heading. Runway 12 right. Clear for takeoff.
Runway heading 12 right, clear for takeoff. 5 get up.
So the land where Santa Monica sits, the airport there, be worth billions of dollars, man. That's right there in the thick of it, man. So they've been trying to get that thing closed for years.
I'm sure that's pretty country to fly out there.
Pretty busy airspace there in LA.
I would think.
I used to fly in LA airspace with doing traffic report with Commander Chuck, go with Chuck Street. That was a lot of fun, man. See all these big antennas out here to the west of us there?
Yeah.
That's what's referred to as the antenna farm. So if you're flying towards this area and you're talking to the approach, you'll ask you, are you familiar with the antenna farm?
Okay.
That's what they're talking about, is all those big old antennas out there. That's JB Bridge again out in front of us.
Isn't the Martin Luther King Bridge, isn't that the first iron bridge ever built?
Yeah, it's back that way. It's north of
Meridian 5 Echo Delta. Contact St. Louis departure. Have a good flight.
Actually, we were just a little bit to the west of it until we went by, you know, by the arch, and then it's right there. That's the one Houdini jumped off of, you know.
Yeah, and they wanted to run elephants across it or something.
Yeah, Houdini was chained up, jumped in with chains all locked up and everything. Got unlocked, come back, popped up back through the hole. They had to cut a hole in the ice, learned to drop down through.
Oh, really?
That was a nut job. And there's a lot of freaking current in the river, man. How the hell he got back to the hole?
Oh, yeah, exactly.
I don't know if he might have been right up against the edge where there wasn't hardly any current or what the deal was, but man, I would number one, I wouldn't jump in a frozen river for any amount of money.
Oh, hell no.